Sunday morning, shattered by celebration. A crowd gathers with hundreds of cameras pointed off into the distance.
I was worried about my ears.
Dallas Foster sits on the sidewalk with Kyle Moyer. They're stuck guessing.
I was hoping anyway that it super exploded, but I heard that's not what it's gonna do.
For first-timers, it's a memory waiting to happen.
I never seen a balloon explode before.
Waiting